Okay, here's a new 3-minute loop. You could kind of observe what's around us. Looking at the dash cam, you could see the other lane of traffic. Here's my finger right here. Yeah, you could see that lane of traffic. So yeah, it's a fairly wide view. It's not panoramic like the box claims. See if you can see that Prius on the right. There it is. Yeah, I don't know how the audio is right now, just idling here. But once we get moving, it's really bad. Windows are rolled up. I'll turn on the AC right now. See if the AC interferes. See the cars right now turning. I don't even think you could see their license plates. It's not that clear. You have to be like right behind a car to see the license plate. Today's video, a review on the cheapest dash cam on the market. $10.76 picked up. When you see these at Walmart, they're $19.99. If you go to Walmart's website, $9.99 with tax, free pickup. So it came out to $10.76 for me. So it even includes a free 8 gig memory card. Those are like $5 right there. So basically a $5 dash cam if the dash cam doesn't end up being any good. So it has night vision, motion sensor, loop recording. So let's check this out right now. Pilot. In my youth, Pilot made racing pedals. Basically worthless. Go speed, go fast, speed mods for kids. I guess they make dash cams. I think they make everything though. I think they make a little of everything. So I just remember Pilot. I actually think I did a video on Pilot racing pedals for my Saturn a couple years ago. Okay. So here you go. Very small, palm size. Right there. So, okay, so car charger, windshield mount, and USB cord. Alright, let me go ahead and figure this out. This only had 3 ratings, 2 1-stars and 1 5-star. The guy who gave it a 5-star rating said, read the instructions, this does loop. The 2 people who gave it a 1-star says it only sees directly forward, no widescreen vision, so we'll find that out here in a second. And they couldn't figure out looping, so 1 5-star and 2 1-star ratings, figure out what star rating this deserves. Let's take into account that this cost $10.76. I wasn't expecting good sound quality or good video quality for $10, but it's usable. So if you don't have a dash cam because of the price, and this is the only way you'll have a dash cam because it's $10, you're better off having a dash cam than no dash cam. I'll share some video clips here in a second. What I really like about this camera though is the ease of use. I don't ever have to take off that windshield mount because it's easy to slide this in. So I like that. So simple, just slide it in like that. And then this is one of those cars that the 12-volt port isn't activated unless the car's in the on position. So once you turn the car in the on position in this car, the camera turns on automatically and films right when I turn it on. Turn the car on, there you go. So it's filming right now, and then if I turn the car off, the camera turns off with the car. There you go. So I like that a lot, ease of use. So, you know, you don't want someone smashing your window and stealing your camera, so that comes right off. So my other dash cam, yeah, it's one of those twist ones, so I have to keep removing the windshield mount. I don't like that, so I'm probably going to use this dash cam more because of the ease of use. Okay, this is unplugged right now. I'm going to just show you guys how user-friendly it is. Turn it on with the side button right here. Hold it down. That button. And a word of advice, do not turn on motion sensor. So here's the menu button right here. See where is it at? Okay, let me try to do this one-handed here, not try to get out of focus. Hold on one second. This is very important to not do this. Okay, see that motion detection? Do not activate that. If you do, every time you turn on your camera, of course it's moving a little bit, so it's going to keep recording. And it's not going to stop recording, ever. So I thought I broke my camera, so what I did when that happened is I just ejected the memory card. And then without the memory card, it can't record. So that's when I was able to get back to the menu and turn that off. But yeah, I was just recording forever. I'm like, what did I do to this thing? And then I figured out to eject the memory card and turn the motion sensor off. So don't do that. It'll just infinitely loop if you do that. And then to get to your files, you just press this last button right here. So there you go. There's my file. There's one file. Oh, there it is. See, my one file right there. You can lock it or erase it. Do whatever you want with it. So very user friendly. You could view files right off the screen. Again, do not turn on motion sensor or this thing will record forever. Every time you turn it on, it'll record and you won't be able to access the menu. Directly in front of the dash cam is that silver car, but when you look at the dash cam, you could see a little of the street and you could see that Suburban right there. So I'm going to go from my digital camera straight to the dash cam so you can see the dash cam picture right now. Okay, here's the dash cam picture and audio quality. With the car not moving, the audio is okay, but once I turn the car on, the audio is going to be all distorted. It's horrible with the car on and the car moving. So once I start moving, yeah, you're gonna hear this dash cam rattling around in the little mount. Like it'll pick up everything. Here we go. I'll do the 3 minutes right now so you could get an idea of how this sounds. And the view is decently wide. It's not really wide view, but it's wider than you think by looking at the camera. Once I really get moving here, you'll hear how bad the audio is. It probably sounds bad right now. Give it some revs. It's not a good action camera. That probably sounds horrible.